Namaste. I'm Izichi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement channel. Now, we've discussed how to clean the altar, and now we're going to discuss how to purify the altar. It's a very short process, but you have to understand what is happening on a spiritual level as well as what's happening on a material level. So, we've already gone through and used the brushes. And we've cleaned the altar. Now, in cleaning the altar, we're not saying that it's got a lot of dust accumulation or negative deposits, but what we're saying is that we are cleaning our soul as we clean the altar. The altar represents our connection to Source. So in saying that we're cleaning the sacred scroll, we're saying that we are cleaning that part of ourselves which connects with that which is sacred. And we are reaffirming our connection. We are getting closer to Source. So this is a magnesium fire starter. As you see, it produces sparks. We are in the age of fire. In the age of Muhammad, it was the age of soil. And we use rice to represent the soil era. The era of water was the time of Jesus. We use water to represent the era of water. Now that we are in the cycle of fire, we use salt on the altar to represent fire, but to purify the area that we are working in, we use a spark. So now, how? There is an order to all things. So, if we consider Meishu Sama, who is on the right side, but if we consider God's perspective, that the spiritual side is the left side is the spiritual side, then we would say Meishu Sama is actually on the left side by God's perspective. As we place the poems, the prayers on the altar, we place them faced that way so that God can look down, if we would say God were looking down, and could read them. So this is all for our own consciousness and our own awareness. So now let us symbolically purify the altar. I will go center, our right, but God's left, and then our left, God's right. So center, right, left. Now, ideally, I would prefer to do it in 3 strokes, but the key thing here is the spark. So, if you are purifying your altar and you don't get a spark on the first strike, then do it again. If you feel uneasy about it, then do the entire process again. Center, right, left. If it didn't come out the way you want it, do it again. Center, right, left. I'm satisfied with my intention and my perseverance. I think that was fine. So now we will do the Amatsu no Rito to close it. Takamahara ni kamsumarimasu kamarugi kamaromi no mikoto mochite sume miyoya kamu izanagi no mikoto sakushi no himuka no tachi hana no ado no ahagi hara ni misogi hara itamo toki ni naremaseru Haraido no o kami tachi moro moro no magagoto sumi kegari o harai tamae kiyome tamae tomao sukoto no yoshi o amatsukami kunitsukami yao yorozo no kami tachi tomoni ame no fuchi koma no mimi furitatete Kekoshi meseto kashikomi momausu Meroku o mikami mamori tamae saki hai tamae Meroku o mikami mamori tamae saki hai tamae Oshie mi oya nushi no kami mamori tamae saki hai tamae Oshie mi oya nushi no kami mamori tamae sakiae tamae. Kanagara tamachi haemase. Kanagara tamachi haemase. So, this has been how to purify your sacred scroll, your sacred altar, your home scroll, home focal point. It goes by many names, but the point here is this is how you go about purifying a sacred space. So, if you have questions, comments, ideas, what do you think of this? Do you use fire to purify? I'd like to hear about it in the comments below. Subscribe if you will. If you're new to this channel, you might find this very useful. There are many useful strategies and ideas here on the Golden Circle Movement channel. So go ahead and subscribe with notifications. Make sure you like this video. It raises our chances for new people to find this knowledge. Share this video so that your friends, people in your circle, will discover this knowledge. If you want, you can reach me on Instagram and Twitter at Ezechiade, on Facebook at the Golden Circle Movement Group. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.